What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today I'm going to be checking out a screen protector for the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G. Now this screen protector is the Ibywind TPU film screen protector. I picked this up on Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description. The reason why I picked up this film TPU screen protector compared to tempered glass is because the Mi 10 5G has a curved screen on the edges, so tempered glass won't work, and if they do work, they're going to have a dot matrix. The quality isn't going to be good. The touch response is not going to be good. So I picked this one up based on, looks like it got good reviews, and I want to say I've used this brand before, can't recall, but it seems like it comes everything in the box for an easy installation. So we'll check that out to see if that is the case. All right, so nice hard plastic packaging, and it just unfolds like that. You get a squeegee, which is very important. It looks like this is a guide of some sort. Everything else is in this package. This seems to be for the rear glass, as you can kind of see there maybe. You got two different accessories for wipes. It does include a kind of carbon fiber rear skin if you want to put that on. That's up to you. A protective rubber piece mat. And then you have your two film screen protectors right here. So this is 0.15 millimeters thin, so this is extremely thin. And this seems to be what this guide is for. Does this go into the USB port? It does. Okay. So it uses this as a guide, and then it pretty much goes just like that. Pretty seamless installation. Something I noticed though, that this doesn't really go edge to edge right off the bat. You can see that there is a big gap up here. That's concerning, but we'll see how this installation is, and I'll read the instructions. I haven't done a film screen protector in quite some time, but we'll give it a shot, and I will come back with the results. I'll do my best to keep this recording, so that way you can kind of see the installation process itself. They give you a step-by-step manual here. Let's get into one of these accessories real quick. So you get a cloth to wipe it down. You have your dust lint sticker to remove, and then you have your wet wipe, which is important. Make sure you wash your hands before doing this, and then of course you will need to clean the screen using the included wet wipe. So the rubber mat is actually used so that way your phone rests on it to help give it grip. That way it doesn't slide around when you're trying to install this. It also keeps from the back from scratching on whatever surface you're resting it on. So that's a nice inclusion. So on the instructions here, step 1, lay the cell phone on adhesive rubber pad, clean the screen like we just did, dry wipe, dust remover sticker. So I'll give this one more wipe down. Sorry for any noise in the background. Those are my cats that have no sense of respect or decency of me making these videos. It says to plug in the plastic install position into the charging port, just like I suspected we'd need to do. And then it says put the film TPU on the screen with the holes inserted into the screen protector. So just as I thought. So pretty self-explanatory there. So we're going to use this to just clean any additional dust that might have fallen onto the glass. Making sure sure we actually get along the edges. Place that back. So it says paste start line here. So the instructions definitely are not clear at all. It doesn't tell you which way to insert it, the shiny side or the matte side, because there is two different sides here. Okay, so you insert it with the shiny side down, and then what you do is you insert it into these holes for the alignment. We bend this part back halfway. This is when the squeegee comes into play. And then we just slide this down the screen slowly. Then it says to basically do the exact thing we just did for the bottom. We need to take this plastic guide off, right? And I'll basically just repeat the process of just like that. So now we need to worry about the edges, which are not adhered to the screen. So we're going to work our way around the device, trying to flatten these edges the best as we can, rubbing it back and forth, heating up the plastic a little bit to help make it flexible. I'm not sure if it's because it's the protective film or if it's the actual screen protector. It's tough to say actually at this point. I want to say it's the protective film, not the screen protector. And nope, it is the screen protector. That's unfortunate. So actually, the screen protector applied very easily. So what my concern is this front film was what was not adhering, but the actual screen protector, outside of maybe a dot or two that I made a mistake on right in this area and then over here, there's two little dots from the screen protector that I messed up on, almost invisible, but this screen protector is literally like, at first glance, you won't know that there's a screen protector on this. It is so thin. So the reason why there is that gap around the screen protector on the glass is so that way cases will fit, and that is just the purpose. And if we put that in, it fits just fine. It will support cases. There is a slight, just a tiniest of gap between the case and that screen protector, and the touch response feels good. It's very smooth. Being TPU a film, this is a very smooth film. There is a slight kind of horizontal line across here where the back part met. I'm not sure why that's the case. Maybe I pressed too hard and it stretched a little bit, or whatnot, but fingerprint scanner still works flawlessly. Again, this is not tempered glass, so it is going to scratch, just FYI, but I would definitely recommend this. Take your time, read through the instructions on how to apply this. It's very important that you do that. And just like my video, place the matte part up. So just like as you're reading it this way, you lift up the front half, pull the screen protector, use the included squeegee to run along the edge or along the entire screen protector, and then take the plug out, do the opposite for the other end, and it gives you a perfect aligned screen protector. I definitely would recommend this. I'm going to leave the link down in the description like I said before, and I would definitely recommend this for the Xiaomi Mi 10, Mi 10 Pro. Definitely a thumbs up. I am happy with this installation outside of the little mess up that I did. That's no fault to Ibywind. The quality looks great. You get a second one. I'm not going to apply this. I read on Amazon reviews that this doesn't even fit. As you can see, there is just a gap along the whole phone. This isn't the right dimensions. Not worrying about that. This little piece here, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know why there's an extra little hole. I would imagine this is for the camera. Well, yeah, that's what it is. It's what it looks like. It's a film for the rear cameras for right there, but I'm not going to worry about that. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, let me know down in the comments below. I'll answer them. This is the Ibywind Film TPU screen protector for the Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.